Hardcat now allows for unprecedented access for users to export data from the Hardcat grid screen. The Hardcat grid screen allows your users to export data via one of two methods. The first method is via using the Export Definition dropdown. This definition dropdown allows your user to see all their allowed export definitions as prescribed by the system administrator. All the user needs to do now is select their desired definition from the list and press the Export button. This will then prompt the user to save the file. The second method to export data from the new Hardcat grid screen is to use the Grid Export Button feature. The Grid Export Button feature allows for a seamless data export to Excel based on the user's predefined column selection and search result applied. Once the user clicks on the Export button, it prompts the user to save a file in Excel. Now with this file saved, the user can open up the file to view the data in Excel.